Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Mathematics for Beginners. Today I am going to share with you tricks to count squares in a given shape. Okay, let's start our today's video. Here you can see that there are two shapes here. Shape 1, you find that rows and columns are different. Means that first shape has 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 1, 2 and 3 columns. If there is this type of shape where columns and rows are different and you have to count the number of squares, then we will multiply rows with columns in such a way that we multiply the highest number of row with highest number of columns. Here you can see we have multiplied 4 by 3, and then we will go on decreasing the number. That in the next row we will write 1 less than 4, that is 3, and we multiply it by 2, and the third one decrease one more, that 2 multiplied by 1, and the fourth ultimately will be 1 multiplied by 0, and we will count till this figure. Now solve it. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, and when we add all these it will be 20. So the number of squares in this shape are 20. Let's look at another example. There are rows 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 rows, and then 1, 2, 3 and 4 columns, and we have to count the number of squares in this shape. We will multiply 5 by 4, then 4 into 3, then 3 into 2, then 2 into 1 and 1 into 0, and then calculate 5 into 4 is equal to 20, 4 by multiplied by 3 is 12, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, and 1 into 0 is 0, and adding all these we will find the answer, that is 40. So in this way we can calculate the number of squares in a given shape, but keep in mind that this trick will work when the number of rows are different from number of columns. In keeping in view this formula, you can calculate number of squares very easily. Let's look at another example. It's a type 2. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Here you can see that their number of rows and columns are same. We will use different formula to calculate the number of squares, total number of squares. Look at it. We have square of 1, then square of 2, square of 3 and square of 4. As there are 4 rows, we will take the square of all these because number of rows and columns are same. The shape is a square one. So square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9 and square of 4 is 16. We will add all these figures and it will become 30. So number of squares in this shape are 30. When there are same number of columns and rows, you will use this trick. You can solve it another way, is that multiply 4 by 4, then multiply by this 3 with this 3, multiply by 2 with 2, and 1 with 1, and 0 with 0, and answer would be 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 1 1 is 1, and sum is again 30. You can use this trick to find the number of squares when rows and columns are same. Okay, let's look at another example. in this figure there are 2 rows and 2 columns, and finding the number of squares in this figure, what we will do is that take the square of 1 and then square of 2. Square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, and answer is 5. This is a simple square. Now using this method you can calculate number of squares in some complex shapes like this given shape. Apparently it seems that it would be very hard to calculate or count the number of squares in this complex figures, but by using this amazing trick you will be able to find the number of squares very easily. Let's see how. You have to know that if there is such one shape, the number of squares is 5. If you have a close look at this figure, you find that there are 1, 2 and 3 shapes combined together to form this shape. So if one shape has 5 squares, then such 3 shapes would definitely have 15 squares. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that you may get my latest videos, and visit my channel to find more videos on different concepts of mathematics. Thank you very much for watching my video.